The OtterBox case and stand bundle offers interchangeable options so you may attach or remove your D190 stand and/or hand strap. It's also a great addition to protect the iPad. This same process can be used for a D220 by simply swapping for the D220 mCase. This bundle allows you to take orders or run your POS through the iPad and accept payments right away. Easily switch between stationary and on the go. In front of us today, we have the 6 accessories that come in the D190 OtterBox case and stand bundle. We have the mCase for the PAX D190, the Space Pole Duo, the Space Pole Stack, the OtterBox connector, hand strap, and OtterBox iPad case. And we're going to walk you through assembly. Let's get started by grabbing the Space Pole mCase for the D190 and the Space Pole Duo. Take the mCase and insert the 2 screws that came with it into the 2 middle holes, like this. Now take the Duo with the 5 holes facing up, and the side with the longer black metal will be pointed to the left. You can double check the placement by flipping over the OtterBox iPad case and sliding the Duo into the slot on the left-hand side. Line up the screws to the holes in the Duo and tighten. For today's video, we want the D190's orientation to be portrait, but the Duo does allow you to mount the D190 in a landscape format. You would just simply turn the mCase to a landscape position and tighten the screws to attach. We have now successfully attached the Duo to the mCase and are able to insert the D190. Easily snap the D190 into place, like so. And to remove, simply pull up from the bottom. But since it snaps in, it does create a secure connection, so you will need to use both hands to pop the D190 out of its case. We can add our hand strap now by simply inserting the tab into the open slot on the right-hand side of the OtterBox case. The hand strap accessory is perfect for tableside usage. Next, we're going to want to assemble the Space Pole Stack. The stack comes with 4 plastic pieces that you can see here, and with 2 assembly options. The first way is called the mounting tilting module, and the second is called the mounting tilting module and length adapter. You would use this module if you need to add more height to your stand. We will be assembling the first option, but I will point out at which step you can add the length adapter. It is important to note that once the length adapter is assembled, it cannot be easily disassembled, so I am not actually going to assemble the length adapter in this video. You'll want to start by mounting the base to your desired countertop position, either using the screws or tape provided. Then place the flange cover on top, ensuring the openings on the sides of the top piece are aligned with the cable management indents on the bottom piece. Now, here's where you would insert the length adapter into the top piece if you choose to install it, and you'll want to make sure that the 2 screws on the back are aligned. But for this video, I'm not going to assemble the length adapter. Go ahead and insert this piece into the base you attached in the previous step. Then take your Allen wrench and turn the screws clockwise until it's flush with the mount. And of course, tighten both screws if using the length adapter. Now we're ready to attach our OtterBox Universe connector with quick release adapter. There are 4 plastic components to this connector. We're going to take the 3 smaller pieces and attach them to the OtterBox iPad case by placing the piece with 4 tabs on the inside of the case and place the larger plastic piece on the outside of the case. Snap them together, securing both pieces to the OtterBox iPad case. Now grab the smallest piece, place into the center of the inside piece. You'll hear a snap. Now we take the largest piece with the quick release feature and attach it to our Space Pole stack that we just assembled. Flip the piece so that the quick release handle is pointing down and place it on top of the stack mount. Add the 2 screws to the middle and tighten to secure. When you attach the iPad to the OtterBox case, you can position it to landscape or portrait. To quickly release the iPad from the stand, you simply press the quick release lever while simultaneously pulling the iPad up. And now you're ready to go mobile in less than a second. When you return your iPad to its stationary position, the hand strap does not interfere with the stand connection. In fact, you can easily have both the hand strap and the stand equipped at the same time. We're ready to put it all together. Our iPad is in the OtterBox case, the D190 is in the mCase attached to the OtterBox case, the hand strap is attached to the OtterBox case, and we're ready to place it, case down onto the quick release adapter that's on top of the Space Pole stack mount. There you have it, a transformed, sleek workstation that is easy to use and can be stationary or mobile at any time. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in purchasing any of our bundles, check us out online at theposcloud.com or contact us at sales@theposcloud.com or call 888-773-1222 to speak with one of our experts.